Hi everyone, this is Melissa. Today I want to do a little tutorial. This is going to be the Craft Caddy from my Crafting World Designs. Just by looking at all the pieces, just like wow, it's a little bit overwhelming, but I'm telling you guys, I watched the tutorial how to put this together. It is super fast to put together. I had to record this in two parts because I'm about to spend some time with my family, but I did cut out the base pieces, and these are all the decorative and layering pieces, so I'll do that on the second part of my video. But you do get this piece. This is the bottom of your caddy. I did cut it out 2 times to make it a little bit sturdier. I am using 110-pound cardstock, but I am going to layer 2 of them on top of each other and probably add a decorative paper probably on the bottom. So you cut that out once, 2 if you want to make it a little bit more sturdy. And then with all these pieces, you'll be cutting this out 6 times, this 6 times, and then you'll have 6 pieces of these. So if you run these 3 together, you have to run it together 2 times to make 6, if that makes sense. So that is the pieces that we'll need right now to make the whole caddy, and then the second part is decorating it with the layered pieces. So I kept one of them flat to see, to show you how I folded this piece. So with this piece, it comes flat like that. You fold it, the trim, the decorative edge out that way, and the bottom score line, you'll fold it up. And then this flap goes in like that. And basically we're going to start by lining this all the way around with the decorative edge facing out, and then, you know, with the little flap conjoining those together like that. So you will, yeah, do all that around first, and then we'll get to these pieces next. And with this one, I folded or varnished right there, and then I added some score tape. With this piece, I added my score tape on the inside, and this makes our little compartment right there, if you guys could see. So we'll make 6 compartments, and then we're gluing them all around the base basically, and that's it. And you got yourself a little caddy. So very, very simple to put together. It's just running these pieces through several times. 6, and then we need 6 of these, 1 of these as a base, and then you're all set to go. And then you just have to decorate it with all your layered pieces. So we'll get started by that. This is gonna be my first time building it together, or putting it together. Anna sent us a tutorial of how to put it together, and I was like, wow, that is fairly simple and fast to put together. I think it'll be the more time consuming part, it will be just decorating it the way you want it. And of course, I am probably going to be doing a Halloween theme one, trying to keep up with the spooky crafting. I didn't get to really craft for Halloween last year because that's when I started crafting, was during the Halloween time, so I didn't really get to craft. I was stocking up on Christmas stuff by the time I started YouTube and my Instagram crafting. So I barely have Halloween stuff in my stash. And I'm still continuing buying Christmas stuff, even though I need to focus on more of Halloween. Okay. So hopefully this comes together nicely, and of course, let's see. I am going to put the bottom strips all the way around first, and then I'll do these little tabs last. I think I'm going to use glue for the little tabs. I'm running out of score tape, so I did have like this red one and then some scrapbook.com one, and I don't think it's going to hold that well. I really like this red brand. I don't even know where I got it, but it holds pretty good. Our kids are starting school early. They start on Monday. It feels like it's too early. The summer went by so fast. It's my daughter's senior year. Oh my goodness. Can't believe it. Can't believe I have a senior. Oh no. Okay. Oop. If anyone knows what brand this score tape is, please let me know, because I do want to get more. I like how strong it is, because I know with the scrapbook.com one, I used it and my stuff was like falling apart. It didn't really adhere that great. But I want to say I got this red scoring tape from a scrapbooking store that was going out of business. But I think with these compartments, I'm going to use glue as well, because I don't think that puny little strip is going to hold that great. But I think this is such a cute little caddy when it comes together. It'll be cute to do like a caddy swap, to fill all the compartments up with, you know, die cuts and goodies. So cute. Having a hard time lifting this thing up. So there you have it, and then we're gonna add, I'm gonna glue the little tabs onto here. Okay, so I got all the little tabs glued right there on the sides. So you have to remember the decorative edges are facing out, so you score it facing out, and then the bottom flap is facing the opposite way to go on the bottom like that. I did have to adjust that one because it was a little off, but now I am going to cover this bottom portion with another 110-pound cardstock layer. And then these little compartments are easy to put together. And once we put them together, you just basically connect them together. Like glue them together. And you stick it onto the base piece and you're all done. So, okay. Now those flaps are covered up. So let's see. So you have this piece, and I have the score tapes on the bottom, and then this piece slides right there, and then you glue the flaps on the outside, and it makes your little compartment. And then that's where these little things, decorative pieces, go right there on top like that. So I am gonna put all of these together and come right back. Okay, you guys, I just want to show you how it's looking. I put the compartments together, I stuck them in here, but I have one more left. I'm going to put this together on camera, and then after that we're going to adhere everything together. So I'm going to bring this camera down to show you guys how to put it together. And I know I was worried about using this score tape, but I'm not going to add glue because I am going to be adhering the whole thing down to the base with glue, and then plus these compartments are going to be all glued together. So I think it'll be nice and snug, and I don't have to worry about it falling apart by using the tape. But it is so fast to put together. I just got back from doing errands with the family. My daughter got her hair braided for school. While she was getting her hair braided, we went to go watch the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle movie. And it was good. And then last minute back to school shopping, since they start school Monday, buying last minute things like underwear and socks and stuff. And I did manage to cut out the layered pieces as well. I'm not sure if I'm gonna decorate it on camera or not. See, just like that. Fast. So I don't think it matters if you have the tabs on the inside or the outside, because like I said, you're going to be adding glue right here and then like sandwiching all the pieces all the way together, all the way around. And then if you do the flaps inside, you still have the your pattern paper covering it. So I did accidentally put my score tape on this one on the wrong side. So this one, I do have the flaps on the inside, and the rest I did have them on the outside. So I'm gonna bring this back up, and then let's just see if everything fits together. There goes our caddy, you guys. So let's start gluing all these together. I am going to be using my Beacon 3-in-1 glue. I just ordered a new batch from Amazon. I think it came in like a pack of 4. But I love this glue, even though it's like messy at times. But I love using this on mini albums because it dries so hard, like concrete, so I know nothing's going to be falling apart. Okay, for this, I'm going to take my Barely Arts glue and glue these flaps down all the way around. I think I'm going to use my glitter art glue actually. I don't know why I keep on putting faith in this glue, and it's a bad batch. I'm going to use my glitter art glue. So yeah, I'm going to glue all these flaps down. So So the lady that puts together Nicole Silhouette's SVG files together and everything, does the tutorials for them. She bought like a little Lazy Susan mechanism from like a hardware store. You could probably find it on Amazon and stuff as well. But she adds it onto the bottom to where you can make your little caddy spin around. So I think I'm gonna go visit the hardware store today, take advantage of my husband being off. I think he's probably done for today. Too much running around, especially in this Vegas heat. Oh my gosh, it's so it's hot, but it's been raining, so it's been muggy because we've been having that California had that wildfire. So we've been having some mugginess also. I think this one's going to be such a fun die to do, like different types of themes. Christmas, Halloween. Birthday. I think it's like a perfect like Happy Meal type of idea. Add some goodies on the inside and then add like a cellophane bag. Okay, this is the last flap. There you go. And then I guess we could add the little decorative pieces to this. I just don't know which glue to use. Actually, I'm gonna do that last. Let's see. Now let's take our beacon. Slather that on there. As you can see, it's already lifting right there. I don't like that double-sided tape. Knits. Make sure it's in there nicely. I guess this is optional if you want the recipient to be able to take it on and off. I guess you don't have to glue it down. Or if you don't want the compartments to be together and to be detachable, you don't have to glue the pieces down. There goes our caddy, you guys. Now we just have to add the pattern paper to everything. yeah, so these are the layering pieces, just to refresh. So you cut this out 6 times, this 6 times, this 6 times, and then you need 6 of these pieces, and then yeah, 6 times and then 6 times. So I'm gonna add the layering pieces and come back. Okay, you guys, this is how it's looking. I do have one more compartment to put together right here, but I just wanted to show you and layer the last compartment together. How cute is that? So we're down to the last compartments, and then we have these things right here. So let's glue these bad boys on. And you could easily, you know, layer your pattern paper before putting all the base pieces together. But I wasn't sure how much time I would have today to put this together, so that's why I made sure I got the base pieces cut out and put together first, and then, yeah. But hopefully I explained it well. It is very easy to put together. Super cute. Okay, so with these pieces, I wasn't gonna just glue them down flat like that. I was thinking about probably rounding these off a little bit more to make it almost look like a little, you know, handle. Be like popped up a little bit, you know. And I wanted to be cool and distress my layered pieces, but I forgot. I wanted to be like, hey guys, look at me, I'm distressing my edges, but I forgot, so I'll take the cool points later on a different day, just not today. I don't know if that really made a difference, but it's kind of popped up a little bit, not, you know, fleshed down like that. It's popped up a tiny bit. So I'm gonna do the rest of these and come back. Okay, you guys, she is done. I got the little handles, or I don't know what things are called, but yeah, I did have them popped up a little bit to add a little bit more dimension, like it's like a little pool thingy. But she is done. I think this is such a super cute die, you guys. I wanted to put it together and do like a little tutorial if you guys were on the fence about this die. Let me grab something. Say these are like Tim Holtz, but like I have like these little spools. You could add some twine or seam binding to these, or twine, and gift it, make it look pretty, to gift some seam binding or ribbon. Oh, but it's so cute. I just want to put this together real quick, and then I think I'm gonna probably try to add something to it, maybe flowers, I don't know, dress it up a little bit. But yeah, I just want you guys to see it all together and inspire you guys to get it. So go visit Anna's store, use code Melissa10 to save. Hopefully this tutorial was good. I do not do good with tutorials. And also, if you guys didn't see my reel, I did play around with the gnome mini album. I think this came out super cute, but I'll go into full detail in another video when I'm doing a little design team project share. I do want to cut everything out, the rest of the dies out, and just do one big old video showcasing all her beautiful dies. But I just wanted to get this tutorial out there for you guys so you guys could put together. It's fairly easy to put together. Really easy. Once you got all the pieces cut out, it's very fast to put together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye.